Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought I'd just flip through my two new digital kits that I got on Etsy. They're just small little kits and then little embellishment kits. So we've got embellishment kit number 1 and I've also got kit number 2. And they're really good sort of like add-ons to for all your journals. They seem to have really nice colours in it, so they should match quite a few journals. Okay, so the first one, let me pop number 2 out the way. This is the first one, and I've done 3 pages like this, which are like little writing papers, which are really lovely. So this one's got the butterfly and the roses and a little bird. We can see the little roses behind, I hope. So we've got that one, then we've got the lovely little bird there and some tulips. And on this one we have, again, we've got Beauty of the Roses on there with some lovely roses, a little bird in a picture frame there. So they're really nice. So they're really nice to just cut out and fold in 3. I'll show you what I've done with them in a minute. And then I've got 3 pages of embellishments. So these got belly bands and little circles and journaling cards on that one. So I think there's 29 embellishments on kit number 1. And then we've got this one which says Beauty of the Roses, which is lovely, will go on the front of a journal. So we've got the journaling cards and beautiful hearts, and these are really lovely to put a little tuck in a journal. And then we've got this one here, so we've got some more journaling cards and some little circles. So these are really nice, and they're nice to make little tags out of as well. So that's kit number 1. So there's 29 embellishments, and then you've got 6 like little writing pages. So they look really nice. So there we go. So that's number 1. We pop that out here. And these ones, actually the writing pages on these ones go portrait on the first ones, and on the kit number 2 they go landscape. So this says Moments and Memories on that one. So we've got 6 pages again of the writing papers. So that's got a lovely butterfly and a flower on there. That says Imagination. And then this one we've got Harmony and Journey. So they're really nice. And then we've got, I think there's 30 embellishments on this one. So this is the Memories and the Moments. So then we've got the hearts and the cards, the journaling cards. And these look lovely again, even if you're making like a little pocket pack or something to go on the front. And here we've got some belly bands and some journaling cards and some hearts to cut out. Again, what I've done, I've made a little hole in there and used it as a little dingly dangly. So that's nice. And on this one, again, we've got some journaling cards, some little tags, some hearts, and some lovely little shapes there. So that is number 2. So this is the one that I was using because in my last video I was making some shabby chic little tags and embellishments. So I'm going to show you what I've been making. So I've actually popped them into a little journal now. So let me open it up, and I think this is just so pretty. So I'm just going to take that off. That's just some seam binding and some sari silk. So if you can remember, I popped these little pockets. I made these little pockets, and these are what I did out of the kit number 2. So I've just made some little tags, some little journaling cards, and I thought they went really well with this journal and with all the pockets that I made. And then we go, so we've got Memories. So that's the journaling card. I just pop into the pocket like this. Then what I've done, I've popped the little roses on there with a little bit of lace. I haven't filled it, though it looks quite big, I haven't filled it up completely because I like to have sort of pages to journal on. So then on this one I've just made a little side pocket with a journaling card in. And that was one of our little fold out journal little thingy majiggies. I don't know what they're called. Can't remember what I called it now. This is some lovely fabric, look. It's all sort of sparkly, got little sequins on. So you can just journal underneath and pop that down. I've got some sari silk and a little embellishment there. And that's a little corner pocket, and that's one of the hearts, and that just fits in there really nicely, just tucks in the corner. And then I've just put some rose trim down the side, and then I've just stuck a little heart on there like that, just on paper. Oops. And that's one of the little tags. Remember I said I was going to hang them down on a bit of lace, so they just dangle down because they got lots of bits and pieces on. It's hard to stick them into a pocket, so I thought they look quite nice dangling off a page. And then there's one of the belly bands, and these are the little papers. So these are the little writing pages, which I've just folded in 3 and then inked around. So I've got 2 of those in there. They just pop into the belly band really nicely, so fit perfect. And then again we've got another little pocket, little journaling card in there. Then we've got another page here with some of that lovely fabric on there with the sequins on. And then here we've got the other corner pocket that we made. And then we've got my journaling card. That's one of the round ones that you can journal on because there's still lots of room on the back. And then a little heart. So these just pop in there like that. And then it's just a little embellishment with a bit of seam binding and some roses. That's one of the belly bands here. And then again I've made one of the writing papers. If you're making a bigger journal, you could use it actually as one of the pages, stick it onto one of the pages, which would look nice. That's one of our little flip outs like that. Pops in there. And again some rose trim. And then another little tag dangling off some, what's it called? Lace. God, I forgot what it was called then. And I've just tucked in a little journaling paper there. I think they look really nice, and if you ink all the edges, it makes them look all sort of like oldie-woldy. It pops in under there. Okay. There we go. And I've just got a little bit of lace on there again with a bit of rose trim. White rose trim, that is. Then these are really nice. I like these. I've actually backed them all onto some card. I've stuck them on. I just printed it all out onto copy paper. Then I've backed it onto white card, so it just makes them a little bit harder. And I think they look really nice just popped in there, because you can just journal on the back of those. You can pop a little hole there and make it into a little tag. And then that's one of the pockets that I made. A little embellishment. It's another little journaling card. I think they come out really, really nicely. Love the colours. Just this one is the set 2 is more sort of shabby chic, I think. It's got those nice shabby colours in it. It's one of the dangly tags. And again, I've got the belly band on there with two of the writing papers on there, tucked in. And then that's nearly the end of the book, I think. Another one of our little pull-outs, because I did 3 of those. And then we've got a little page embellishment there. So I thought that was a really nice little book. And they go really well, all the embellishments with the ones that I made. The colours fit absolutely perfect. So I thought that was really nice. And then with the other bits that were left over, I made like a little pocket pack. So I've got, this is made from the writing papers. So I've just backed it with one of them. And then I've cut the little tags out and the little hearts, made a hole and popped a little bulb clip in. And on this one, I used the paper here. I've actually cut it off there. So I've made that into like a little booklet with a little tag hanging off it, and some scrap paper in there. So I thought that was quite cute. And then these are the little journaling cards. I'll just pop those in there, and then pop that one in there, and that can just hang over the top. And then I've just popped a little bow on there, some of that lovely tulle. And then on the back I've attached this one onto here with some brads. I've actually glued it on and then just gone through it with some brads. And then I've just got 3 of the larger journaling cards there, and then 2 of the writing papers, which open up like that, which looks really nice. I just pop those in there. So these are the papers as well, so that's just stuck on the back. So there's lots and lots of ways you can use them. These just tuck in there like that. So that's a nice little gift, isn't it? And then I've just used them, little hearts, and pop them onto some book clips. So there we go. I give you a little idea of how to use them, which I think are really, really nice. But I absolutely love this little journal. I think it looks so pretty, and I've got some little roses on there, so that looks really lovely. So again, this is number 2, and then this one is number 1. So please do go and have a look in my Etsy shop, though. I've got a few of my little digital kits in there now, so I'm really, really pleased. Alright guys, well thanks for joining me. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.